Hello, I'm Yasir Arafat, founder Agami FinTech. We are providing collateral-free working capital for SMEs via trusted crowd investors. So far, we have disbursed $2.6 million on 8 SMEs with 45 investors and earned $78,000 revenue. So meet Mr. Moin Tariq. His company CMS Graphics could not get working capital due to lack of collateral. Then Agami funded him. Now he's growing at 30 to 50% annually. So like Moin, there are 8 million SMEs in Bangladesh. Among them, 85% lack access to finance with $2.8 billion credit cap, since bank requires high collateral and long procedures for disbursement. So we have introduced a crowd investment platform connecting investors and SMEs for database collateral-free working capital. Our investment process is pretty quick, with flexible repayments for SMEs and higher returns for investors. And we are managing from credit scoring to monitoring, disbursement, repayment, and collection in order to ensure trust and smoothness between SME and investors. So our investment process is pretty simple. So we are charging 3 to 6% commission from SMEs on each successful disbursement. So right now, $2.8 billion SME credit cap and $20 billion investors pool create a massive opportunity in Bangladesh for crowd investment. So compared to our competitors, we are offering more return to investors, and we are sector agnostic to SMEs for fund disbursement. So right now we are taking in SMEs through SME networks and investors networks for investments. So our team have expertise in SME and investor management in Bangladesh to run this platform well. So right now we are looking for $250,000 for technological scale, strengthen our marketing, and $8 million funding across new SMEs. Thank you.